Good morning to everybody. In this video, I will show to you how to configure Palo Alto Zone Security Policy, not on routing. This is our topology, and also this is the Palo Alto one. So first we have to go to the network and then interface management and then click add. Okay, I'll put my the name of the interface profile is mynet security MGT. And then I will enable HTTP, HTTPS, SSH, and ping, and then press OK. Next, we'll create the virtual router. Click the virtual router, click add, and then name it as default. I will just put mynet security route. Okay, then click static, then click add, and then we'll put this on default route to R1. Destination is any 0.0.0.0/0. Okay, then new address will be R1 IP add. So 192.168.1.1. Click OK. R1 inside. Okay, click OK. And the next hop is I will choose the one I created, and then oops, this is wrong. It should be 0.0.0.0/0. Okay, and then so destination will be 0.0 to anywhere, and then the next hop will be the R1 IP address. Okay, click. So how this is the IP address of 192.168.1.1. This is R1 inside IP address. Okay, next we will create a return topic. Okay, return traffic. So it means any packet from outside going to 1070.0.0/16. Okay, it will be going to 10.70.5.1. okay, so where is that? This is the one, the interface VLAN of inside of the internet firewall, 1070.5.1. okay, then press OK, and then press OK. Okay, next we'll go to the interfaces. Okay, we will modify this interface number 1, which is this one, going to the internet switch. So it will become layer 3. Layer 3. So, and then in the virtual router, I will choose the one I created, and then on the zone we need to create a new one. Okay, we'll put a name outside zone. Okay, outside. Okay, and then press OK, then click OK, and then IP address. Okay, and the IP address, add. The IP address is 192.168.1.2. And then on the advanced, so you need to choose the management profile to mynet security profile. Okay, and then press OK. Let's go in number 2. So port number 2 will become layer 3, and then the virtual router will be this one, and then the zone, we'll create a new zone, we'll put it inside. Okay, then the IP address, click add 19, I will just put 192.192 that I don't know 10.70.5.1, 10.70.5.1. This is the interface VLAN of VLAN 5. So here you can see I'll minimize this. Here on the SBI 1070.5.1. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, I have a mistake. This one should be 5.2, which is this one, 5.2, this end, this. Okay, then press OK, and then we'll click on advanced, then security profile will be minus security. So we're complete IPv4 zone, and then press OK. Next, we'll configure the number 3. Click on this. So we'll make it layer 3, and then we'll select the virtual router, and then we'll select the security zone. We'll create a new one. We name it DMZ. Click OK, and then on the IP address, we'll add the IP address is for the DMZ is, wait a minute, I will make it 10.70.6.2. okay, and then advanced, then here, okay, IPv4 config, we'll add here so that we will not forget inside DMZ 10.70.6.2. okay, then press OK. Okay, next we will create a policy. Okay, maximize this, create one, we'll name it inside to outside. Okay, source any to any, from any to any to any, source any, destination is any, application any, service URL will not do anything, allow. Okay, so from the source any to any, destination is any, application any, so action is allow, and then click OK. Next we'll create a NAT, click add, We'll name it as dynamic NAT. Dynamic NAT. Okay. IPv4 translated dynamic IP translation none translated address general dynamic NAT IPNAT. The source will be from any, destination will be from outside. Source any, destination any, translated packet, translated address, interface, and then interface 1 of 1, which is the outside, and then IP address will be should be the 1.2. Okay, then let's try to click OK, then commit. Oh, I think there's a problem. We'll go back to the network, then virtual routers. I think this one, static route. We'll check the default route. I think the destination should be internet 0.0. Interface should be 1.1. Let's double check. Okay, 1.1, this port. I think that's okay. And then for the return traffic, interface should be 1.2. Next up, IP address. Okay, this is correct. Click OK. Let's try to commit again. Commit. Okay, now it is the configuration committed successfully. Now let's try. Let's test the connection. Okay, we'll maximize this out from the core. Just ping the 8.8.8. Okay, en ping 8.8.8.8. I hope it will go. Oh, it's failing because the router is turned off. We need to start this router and the switch. Okay, and then we will wait for it. I think we need to add also from a policy from outside to inside. Okay, I forgot this one. So add. We will put a name outside to inside. Okay, source be any, destination will be any, application we don't need to do anything, allow, and then click OK, and then commit. Click OK. Okay, the device commit successfully. Click close, and then now we'll try. So as you can see here, and here in the topology, so we'll double click. The router already started, and then now we'll try. Let's see. I'll just make this one little bit. So ping 8.8.8.8. As you can see, it's working fine. Ping google.com. Ping 8.8.8.8. So okay, now we'll test using the PC. From this PC, we will The PC that we will be using is this one. Okay, the Insight. So let's go to the internet, Google. Also, let's go to ping. If we can ping anything. I will just put my place. And then we'll go to the ping. As you can see, it is working fine. The internet is working fine now. So it means our configuration in the firewall are okay. So let's try to ping. Come on, it's very slow. Let's ping 8.8.8.8. As you can see, it is working fine. The ping is working fine. The internet browsing is working fine. So it means our configuration is successful. So I will turn on this secondary so that it will sync the configuration automatically. Okay, I will start. And then I think this is the end of the video. So that's it. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.